Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is Walt Disney World. I have just arrived. I am at the Contemporary Resort because I want to be very close to Magic Kingdom. My 2-year-old nephew is with us this time, and we wanted the absolute best access we could have to just walk across the street to Magic Kingdom. So we picked the Contemporary. We are in the garden wing this time. I am in a King Resort View room, and it is 5256, and I would like to give you a tour. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. That's my website. Like and subscribe. Click that bell down at the bottom for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. Let me know in the comments if you like to stay in the Contemporary and why. And meanwhile, let's go tour this beautiful magical room. Here's the monorail going into the tower, which is super cool, and I can see that right from the garden wing at the Contemporary. So here it is, and this is where we're staying. To give you a little idea, it is the building outside of the tower, so we just walk right into the tower and go to Chef Mickey's or whatever we need to do, so it's quite convenient. Here we have 5256. Now this room's going to be a little bit, hi honey, different than what we saw before with the 2-bedroom. This is actually a king, so a lot of extra space since we have the king. This room is for my husband and myself. Beautiful, and I actually love the way it smells in here. It just smells lovely. And what I'm going to do is scan around and then show you all the details. Very nice. What do you think, honey?
It's really nice.
Yeah, like the higher ceilings. Yes. So let's start right here. I noticed something different already from the room that had the 2 queens. We've got a nice little chair here. I think Scott's already sat in this chair. Ooh, and it rotates. Wow, that looks so Mr. Incredible-ish, doesn't it? Oh, that's great. And we have this fantastic light that I showed you before. It's such a magical moment. Doo-doo! Love that. You've got your plugs here. My husband already has his electronics plugged in. You've got your reading light here, which is great. You've got your side table with drawers and more incredible theming. Look at that. Got Jack's Num Num over there. So cute. And here's our beautiful bedding. Deluxe resorts at Disney always have such great linens. I love it. We've got Edna Mode welcoming us, and we've got our hidden Mickey made with a towel. I just love that. Hi, Mickey. And on this side, we also have the cool lamp that I showed you before. And then we've got our reading light here. We've got more plugs. We do have a phone and then a second drawer. Doozles are dozing. Love that. Look at the floor, the carpet. You can really see it since there's only a king-size bed here. Such great theming. Now let's look over on this side. So we have our flat screen TV. Did you notice the mask and the incredible theming? So cute. So we have Welcome Home Giles family, flat screen TV. We also have our sofa that turns into a bed, which is nice. We have our table. Now I love this table. When I travel, I work a lot, booking Disney trips, cruises, anywhere Disney goes, all Disney destinations, and I work a lot from these tables, which is nice. And then we have a floor to ceiling lamp here, which is great. And then let me show you how this bed will pull out. It will accommodate, I would say, an adult, depending on how tall you are. It's a little smaller than a twin. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here we go. Here's your bed. It easily folds out, and in a minute I'll show you where your extra bed linens are. I could sleep, I'm 5'4.5", 5'5". I comfortably sleep here, so it just pulls right over, or you can have your host do it. So very nice. Okay, now let's go in here. We do have a connecting room, and as I said before, if you've got a larger family, you need a connecting room, no worries. I will request that for you, no problem at all. We have a coffee center here. So this is cute, 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 incredible theming. We have our ice bucket, we have our Keurig. Have no fear. All of your coffee and teas are here. We have regular pods, we have decaffeinated, we have teas, we have pink stuff, we have sugar, stirs, and we also have some milk creamer. And as you know, I love these to-go cups, and they have little hidden Mickeys on them, which is nice, and lids, so you could take those to the park or walking around the beautiful Contemporary if you wanted, and plastic cups. Now, we also have a dorm-size refrigerator. This will hold all of your water, your sodas. It will hold probably a half a gallon of milk. We can talk when you book your next Disney vacation with Melissa VIP Magic. We can talk about grocery delivery if you want. I've got all the tips. No need to go searching. All you do is email me and I will give you my professional advice. So I highly recommend booking with a travel professional like me so you have no worries in the world and you don't miss a thing. Your family is going to have the most magical vacation. I'll make sure of it. Now let's keep going. We've got our closets here. Here's your first closet. So we've got lots of storage, and then we've got our safe, and you set the lock, which is nice. We have drawers there, 2 of those, and then over here, watch out, it's the Incredibles. Their suits are hung, ready to go. I love Disney theming. So cute. And here's your extra pillow and blanket for that extra bed. And then we have a hair dryer here. And we now have handheld steamers in most of our resort hotels, our deluxe resort hotels. So no need to have a big ironing board and iron anymore. If you want to send out, we are back doing laundry delivery if you want to use that service. I have more drawers down here, a luggage rack, just so much, and plenty of hangers, you guys, lots of hangers. Okay, our last but not least, let's check out the bathroom. We have beautiful 2 sinks, which is great. Disney theming again, more Incredibles. Look at that, so cute. We have 2 sinks here. We have Disney Resort sea salt bath. We have lotion. We have vanity kits. We have shower caps, mouthwash, so much. You don't need to bring a thing. We have extra washcloths here. We have a makeup mirror that's lighted. Look at that, ladies. So nice. And a huge stand-up shower. So open it up. We've got a rain shower there. And I also see a handheld shower. So that's great. And then you have your bath products here, which is nice. Sea Marine shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Very nice. We're going to be so, so comfortable. Now, this is your potty area. Oh, look, the Incredibles. I see Jack. He's so cute. And your potty, and then you've got more towels here. Love it, love it, love it. Now, let's take one more scan and look at the view. Oh, and the monorail. Look at that. Well, that's a magical moment. Who knew the monorail was going to be there? And then we've got a resort view, so I see the parking lot, I see the Contemporary Tower just over there. So we're in the garden wing right outside of the tower. It's a great way to save a little bit of money but still be in a deluxe resort and be very near Magic Kingdom. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavip.com. That's my website. Look at it, contact me, just push that button and let me know you're ready to book your trip and we will start chatting. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that bell for notification. to follow all my Disney travels around the world. Take a minute, let me know in the comments what you thought about the tour, if you like to stay at the Contemporary and why, and is Magic Kingdom your favorite park? Well, if it is, maybe you want to stay at the Contemporary too. I cannot wait to serve your family. See you real soon.